Hello viewer, this is Pamela Healthy Food Diet. But today I'm not going to talk about food or preparing food. I'm going to talk about this herb called akwama. In Benin language it's called amosu. I think it's all over on YouTube and Facebook. Some time ago, one of our Nigeria brother did the video on Facebook. The name of our brother is Ovenseri Ogbebo. He was looking for the English botanical name of this herb. So I sent for it in Nigeria. They brought it for me. And I went on Google and do the research to find out the health benefits. According to medical study, this herb works for so many things. But maybe our brother always emphasize on diabetes, that he controls sugar. Why? Because he said he has a sugar problem. So when he went to the restaurant to eat, he was not looking for something that have less carbohydrate to eat. So that was how one man introduced this fruit to him. So as he used it, the herb worked for him. That was how he brought it to Facebook, so that other people will benefit from it. From there, I also saw it. I went into research, because anything that goes down into your stomach cannot come out. So before I take anything, I always do the research and find out the health benefit. As I was doing the research, I found that was where I got the English name akwama, and it happened to, and I got to know that it works for fever. It controls hypertension, jaundice, malaria. Why the seed is particularly work for pain, for joint pain. And I myself particularly, I have tried it because I was warned to control my sugar. According to that brother, he said before you start using it, you should make sure that you are warned to control your sugar, because if your sugar is low, you don't need it. But if your sugar is low, you want to use it for another thing, you have to mix it, dilute it with another product or with another herb to go for any other sickness. But particularly for sugar, you have to have a machine like this. This is not only the product on Amazon, but this is the product that is less. The price is very cheap. When you have this product, you take the test in the morning before you take this akwama. When you take this akwama, you will know what I'm talking about. So now, let me tear it for you people to see. I kept it in the fridge before. The brother said he soaked his own in the water. Now, when you put it inside a jerry can of water, you should let the water get to exactly where the level of this seed get to. But since I'm in Europe, this thing came from Nigeria, and I don't have the means of getting it all the time. And I did the dry, and I dry it to powder. I have done one before. I didn't do the video, but now I just want to show you guys how I did it. I have finished cutting it. This is the seed. This is the amount, very bitter. This seed alone, when you do the research, you will see what it works in the body. This one, I just brought it out from freezer because it came since last month from Nigeria. So I preserve it in the freezer before. I just want to show you people how I did it. I did the first ones I said before. I have dried it in oven, but I said it's better I bring out the practical for you people to see. Now I will put it in the oven and let's dry it. But if in Africa, you can dry it with sun, but you know, in Europe now, the sun is not yet strong enough to dry it. Here it is. I want to keep it in the oven. Let's see how many minutes it will take to dry. Now let's see how it goes. Wow, 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 it has dried up, eh? This is how it looks like. As you can see, it has dried up. Now I'm going to do the blending. This is the machine I normally use. I know not everybody that have this type of machine, but you can try normal blender that we use to blend our ogbolo and egusi. The only thing is that I can't guarantee you if it will grind it because it looks very strong. So let's do the blending now. Let's see how it goes. Let's blend it up the more. Let's see how it goes. Look at it. Just as I have said, excuse me, especially we in Europe, please, any money we spend on ourselves is investment. It's not an expense. It's not as an expenses. Because the people back home in Africa, they live the best life more than us. Why did I say so? They eat natural food. They get everything fresh. But we here in Europe, we eat more manure. The food they use manure to do. If you see 7 days old cow, 7 days old cow is 7 months old cow in Nigeria. All those are the food, those processed food that cause different sickness in our body. So please, try to do medical checkup. Do your checkup regularly. I don't know why. When you are okay, people say it is my concern. Because our achievement in Europe is that hate at the dying of the day. When we go back to Africa, even though we did not go back now, we are here. Let's use food to do our medicine. Not medicine to be our food. When you try this thing, this Aquama Amosu, people will remember me. As you can see, if it were the one we soak now, when you soak it after some time, I think you will throw them away. You throw the shaft away. But now, nothing is going out of the herb. I've got everything here. Now what I'm going to do now is to filter it. I will filter it. I don't like throwing anything away. Eh? I like having everything in full, whatever I do. As you can see, the shaft, I'm not going to throw them away. I'm still going to use them. I'm adding some to this root, which is for me, for dysentery, for waist pain, manpower. As you can see, there is different type of herb inside this one. So please, for more information, maybe for the machine, just try to call me so that you negotiate. I'll send the machine to your doorpost anywhere in Europe. It will get to you. You can get my number 329 16 11 019. This is the machine. I use it to blend I have it in the order of my video. When you look at my video, order of my program that I have did before, you will see the machine there. I use it to blend beans. Any strong thing, not tomatoes, not pepper, no, because it's too powerful for it. You use it to do grounded rice. You use it for beans, grounded rice, things like this powder that I've just blended. You want to blend a stockfish to powder. If you don't like it any that way, you can easily use the machine also. Just call me. We negotiate. Please, after watching, subscribe and share. It's good to pass information to one another, especially when it comes to health. Bye. God bless you all. This is the outcome of the powder I did. So normally when I want to use it, I take pinch like this. Just little pinch like this. I mix it with warm water. You can mix your own with cold water. Why I mix my own with warm water is that I don't drink normal water. I always drink warm water for the past 4 years now because of my health challenge and the diet I'm doing. So as I was saying before, my people, if doctor tell you to be careful with sugar, that your insulin, your sugar is getting higher, please, I beg of you, let us use food as drug in our old age, not drug as our food. Once you are told to be careful, just go and do checkup and follow up with traditional herb. There are many of these our herb that they use for capsule that low sugar level. I will show the photo of all those tests I have done since 2018 that my sugar was 120. Doctor told me I should be very careful. I should not let it more than that. I should beat it down. Since that 2018, by the grace of God, I have followed up. It has not gone up until I got to this. I got this Aquama, which is Amosu. Normally, if I eat anything after 7 o'clock in the evening, in the morning, my sugar will go to 120, 130. I have tried all my possible best, change food. But since I got this fruit, this herb, believe in me, my sugar has not passed 100 at times, maybe 103. If we enter 106, it means I ate around 9 o'clock or 8. Because I have no alternative. Maybe I went out. I came in late and I'm very hungry. But because of this herb, I'm no longer afraid. According to our doctor in my working place, I'm a carer working in the hospital. Our medical doctor makes us to understand that diabetes is just like a visitor. That when he knock at your door, that knocking he knock at your door is like that 120 or 110. He said, don't allow that bag, don't allow it to come into your house. He said, because when he enter your house, there is a bag he carry. And inside that bag he carry, once he enter your house and sit down, meaning that it has enter your body and sit down. Inside the bag it carry, there is cholesterol, high blood pressure, and it will affect your eyesight. Before you know, start damaging your kidney, your liver, which will lead to stroke. So please, just do the research and take it and do it the way I did it, because I decided to dry it to powder in order not to throw any shaft away. The one I soak in the water, this is the first one I soak in the water. If you look at it now, we have put water more than how many times? So I put water more than 3 times. It's still very bitter, but at the end it will get to a stage whereby we will pour away the shaft. So that is what I don't want to happen here. That is why I did my own this way. Please, after listening to this video, just subscribe and help your sister to share for this free information I've given to you guys. Bye. When you go on Google, this is what you will see. When you search it out on Google, just put Aquama. This is the seed, and this is the herb. The full seed is that green one that you are seeing there. Then let me screw up. This is when I dried it. This is the fresh one when they brought it from Nigeria. I think you are seeing the sugar measure, 93. That is the fresh one when I kept it in the oven. Have you seen it? 97. $85. What that is the powder after blending. 95. 97. 103. This one was the first one, 103, and I ate very late too. If not for this Aquama, sorry, it would have been almost 130. That is 91. There was a day I measured it, it was 88. For 3 days, I didn't near it again, because if it is too low, it's still problematic. This is the 88. When it was 88, I stopped it for some days. Then I eat as usual now. That's it.